Hey guys, check out my Pokemons here, and today I've got something great in the mail for you. A final piece to my collection. I haven't opened it yet, I've just gotten rid of some of the plastic to make it easy to get into. So let's open this up. Oh, I'm excited. I've been looking for this for a long time, and here it is. Japanese Pokemon Yellow version. It's so good. Sorry about the colour. There it is. Final piece to my little collection. I'll have to see if I can get steam that off later. Yeah, that's how big it is. Look at my hand. I don't have a big hand, so that easily fits in one hand. Awesome. Well, so yeah, that's the back there. It's all in Japanese anyway, so you can't read it. I'll open it up and I'll show you what's inside. For those of you who haven't seen my other unboxings, I have done one for red, blue and green version, all Japanese. So, yep, I'll post the links in the description. But for now, let's have a look at this. Oh wow, it's got everything as well. Okay. First things first is the game card. This is the game card. Awesome. Sorry about the colour. It's night time in here, so. But that's yellow. Trust me. Yeah. So that's. I don't even think it's been used. The buyer that was selling it said he's never even opened it, so that's awesome. The handbook. If you haven't seen these, they are fantastic. Look at the colours in it. It's just awesome. Kabuto! Yeah, colourful as ever. Awesome. It's in perfect condition. Brilliant. Jesus Christ, what is this? There's some kind of warning. I haven't seen this. This wasn't in the other ones. Oh, cool. That's an advert for Pokemon Stadium. Or in Japan as it's called, Pocket Monsters Stadium. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah. That's cool. Wow. What else we got? Okay, the town map. I'll half open it. If you want to see what it looks like, check out my red version unboxing. I've got the full map there. It's a shame we didn't get these in the West, as I always say, but you know, that's kind of what the map looks like. It's just a map of Kanto. There's the power plants. Can't even remember what it. Lavender Town. Some bridge. Yeah. And Game Boy Color advert. Now I know this definitely wasn't in the other one. The other one had a Game Boy Pocket. I'll put something around this. We live in the color world. That's a dull Game Boy Color. It's grey. Purple. They'll all look the same to you in color, but that's purple, green, red, the see-through white one, see-through blue one, and yellow. I had the lime green one, which was only available in Australia. And yeah, there's some instructions about connecting it to various devices. But yep, that's all I have for you for now. That was the yellow version to complete the collection. I'll do another video later which will review the four, and yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you later.